Hey guys, so I've been getting so many questions about how to link our toolbox alarms. We actually sell 2 alarms and 1 remote, but say you bought the original one, which is just the 1 alarm, the 1 remote. I'll show you now how to link pretty much as many alarms as you want to 1 remote. So what you do, take it out of the box first, and take out the alarm that you want to link to it as well. So basically you want to get rid of one of the remotes that you have because it's not going to work to anything. Next up, undo the little screw at the bottom, and you want to take apart the alarm, and you're going to take out the back of the battery. Alright, so that took a little bit of time, but basically you unscrew this little screw at the bottom, and then you use this pick to undo the bottom. I had to use like a little screwdriver as well, and then you work your way around the sides, and then the casing comes off. Next, you're going to get, this is the alarm that I want to use. So you can see it's not connected to anything, the batteries are still in. It's connected to this one, but I haven't unplugged the connector yet. Next, I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to wait for about 10 seconds. Alrighty, then I'm going to put this back in, and I'm going to hold down the little bell button at the bottom until I hear a beep. There we go, now it should be locked. So I can lock it, or I can unlock it. And now basically that's how you connect a remote to any single of these alarms. So it's going to work with as many alarms as you want. So you can just keep getting more and more alarms and adding it to this remote. So if I pull this out, it's going to engage this alarm. So now both of these alarms are linked to this. See? There you go. And then just make sure you get your little screw back in there and screw it back together. And that's how you link an alarm to a remote. Oh, now they're armed now. If you haven't seen, also we show us another video on how to adjust the setting and the volume of each alarm. So if the sensitivity is too low, like it's not going off, if you just tap it, or if it's too high and it's going off at anything, you can adjust the sensitivity. Have a look at that video as well. Cheers guys.